Hello. Now we'll have a quick look at example of analytics solution based on Shopify, developed by A2 Consulting Group, and it developed on Microsoft Power BI platform. But first of all, before start, I want to admit that the main thing of such solutions that based on different BI platforms is that you can gather and process data not from only one data source. For example, not only from Shopify, but Excel, accounting systems, social media, Facebook, Instagram, and so on, and also CRM systems. So any other systems, you can consolidate all the data in one application, in one hands-on manager that can discover all his information to make solutions according to his analysis of his data. Let's have a look at application. So here we have 5 interactive pages. Simply say these pages are pre-built reports with visualizations. The first page is KPI, and what the main thing of visualizations and this kind of reports. They all interactive, so you can choose any date for analysis. Also, at every chart and diagram, you can click and find information about specific point that you want to discover, or also you can drill down further at the diagram and see like product type, drill down to product and see information about products selling, and also click on product and see main indicators at that point. Moving next, KPI details. At this page, we can see 2 charts, rating chart and chart with area. Rating chart shows us top 10 brand by profit, but user can select any quantity of top dimension, for example, not brand, like product type, and not profit by revenue. It counts in a couple seconds. So now we have top 5 product type by revenue. At this chart, we can see the share of each product type in revenue by any period of time, any that we want. Here we can select any period and drill down through a period of time, from quarter to month, from month to day, and vice versa. Next page, customers. At this page, we can see 2 diagrams and the color code map, also chart, profit by day. This diagram shows us, for example, how customers accepts our marketing campaigns, also show top 5, and the chart shows profit by day, but you can also click and switch it to revenue or quantity of customers by day. At the color code map, you can select any address, any customer, and see how many, for example, profit he brought us in one day through every period of time, any period of time. You can also choose a couple of customers and analyze them. Next page, customers detail. It's simple. Here we have rating chart and table with the more detailed information about our customers. Rating chart, we can change quantity of our top, also change the measure for the top, and customer also you can see information by order, for example top 20 by order. Next is LFL analysis. It's kind of comparative analysis. I can select my analysis period, 4th quarter, for example, also comparison period, and see the difference in my profit or revenue by brand, collection, product, or any other dimension. For example, I can select, I want to see product and revenue. And I can see here on the dot diagram that more than half of my products lost in revenue in the 4th quarter comparing to the 3rd. Or more detailed information about that I can see in table. So that's it for a quick look on our solution. And I just want to add that all applications adapt to business and could be changed according to business requirements, builds visualizations, reports, and so on. So more information about our solutions you can get on our website, 3alica.com. So thank you for your attention. Bye bye.